Radiation protection in nuclear power plants is critical to ensuring the safety of workers and the public. There are several key measures that are used to protect against radiation exposure. Shielding, using materials such as concrete, lead, and water to block or absorb radiation. This is used to protect workers and the public from exposure to radiation from the reactor. Time, distance, and shielding, by limiting the time spent in radiation areas, increasing the distance from the source, and using shielding, workers can reduce their overall exposure. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Workers in radiation areas must wear PPE such as dosimeters, radiation suits, and respirators to protect against exposure. Monitoring and surveillance, regular monitoring of radiation levels in the plant, and regular medical surveillance of workers, helps to ensure that exposure levels are kept within safe limits. Emergency preparedness and response. Nuclear power plants have emergency response plans in place to respond to radiation releases and protect the public in the event of an accident. Decontamination and waste management. Proper decontamination and waste management procedures are essential to ensure that radioactive materials are properly contained and disposed of to prevent exposure. Training. Workers must be properly trained in radiation protection procedures and the use of PPE to ensure that they are prepared to work safely in radiation areas. Overall, radiation protection in nuclear power plants is a multi-layered approach that uses a combination of engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective measures to minimize radiation exposure and protect workers and the public.